These tripped travel pouches are amazing. They come in a variety of different sizes, so you can manipulate them and squeeze them into your bags how they fit best. How I always use them is I expand the sides. I pack the clothes in, usually a little better than this, but I'm just gonna shove these in to show an example. A big pile of clothes. Put them in the pouch. Zip the main zipper closed. And then you're going to go back and zip the side, which will make this even more compact to put in your suitcase or your backpack. Making traveling simple, a breeze. Nice little handle, strong zippers. They're really lightweight, so you're not adding to the weight of your bag, but helping to keep everything organized. And